Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a user-friendly, foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and kids. It features a 1080p HD camera with FPV, first-person view, capabilities, allowing users to capture and transmit live footage to their smartphones for immersive flying experiences. The compact, foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable and easy to transport. Key highlights include voice and gesture control, enabling users to take photos or control the drone hands-free with simple commands or gestures. The drone is equipped with optical flow positioning, which enhances flight stability and makes it easier to hover for steady photography and video recording. Its one-key takeoff/land functionality simplifies operation, making it ideal for beginners. Additional features include 360 degrees flip capability for aerial tricks, and a waypoint fly mode that allows users to set a flight path by drawing it on the connected app. The quadcopter also supports multiple speed levels to accommodate different skill levels, ensuring both novices and more experienced users can enjoy flying. Its lightweight build and safety features, such as propeller guards, enhance its suitability for children. In summary, this drone offers a perfect balance of fun and functionality, boasting a range of beginner-friendly features alongside impressive performance options. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and interactive controls makes it an excellent choice for family fun, basic aerial photography, and learning to pilot drones. Number 2. The mini drone with camera is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for both adults and kids, offering a balance of ease of use and enjoyable features. Its 1080p FPV camera delivers high-definition aerial photography and real-time video transmission, while the 90 degrees adjustable lens allows for capturing dynamic angles and perspectives. Key features include altitude hold, which stabilizes the drone during flight for smoother video and image capture, and gravity control, enabling the drone to respond to the tilt of a connected smartphone for intuitive maneuvering. Trajectory flight adds an interactive element, allowing users to draw flight paths on their smartphone app for the drone to follow automatically. The drone comes with one-key takeoff and landing, making it accessible to beginners by simplifying launch and return operations. 2 included batteries provide extended flight time, ensuring longer sessions of fun and exploration. Its compact, foldable design makes it highly portable, and the lightweight build is ideal for on-the-go usage. This drone also features safety measures, such as propeller guards, to protect both the drone and the user, enhancing its suitability for children and beginners. In summary, the mini drone with camera is a feature-rich and versatile choice for those looking to explore aerial photography or enjoy recreational flying. With its easy-to-use controls, stable performance, and entertaining functionalities, it's an excellent option for users of all skill levels, whether for casual use or as an introduction to drones. Number 3. The drone with 2K camera is a compact and foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, offering advanced features and enhanced functionality. Its 2K FPV camera delivers crisp and clear aerial photography, with real-time video transmission for immersive flying experiences. The foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to carry on adventures. Equipped with brushless motors, the drone ensures powerful performance, reduced noise, and increased durability compared to traditional motors. The altitude hold feature provides stable flight, enabling smoother video and photo captures. Beginner-friendly controls include one-key takeoff/landing, simplifying operation and ensuring a hassle-free experience. Gesture selfie mode allows users to take photos or videos with simple hand gestures, adding an interactive and fun element to flying. Additional functionalities, such as 3D flips and waypoint fly, make the drone exciting to maneuver, with the latter allowing users to set a customized flight path via a smartphone app. The inclusion of 2 batteries extends flight time, ensuring uninterrupted enjoyment for users. Its lightweight and foldable design, combined with safety features like propeller guards, makes it ideal for children and first-time flyers. In summary, this 2K FPV drone offers an engaging blend of functionality, ease of use, and entertainment. With its high-quality camera, reliable performance, and user-friendly controls, it's a great choice for capturing aerial footage and exploring the joys of flying. Suitable for all skill levels, it's perfect for families, beginners, and anyone seeking a versatile, fun drone. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera is a foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, providing ease of use and exciting features for a fun flying experience. Its 1080p camera captures high-quality photos and videos, and the drone supports FPV, first-person view, for live video transmission, making it ideal for creative aerial exploration. Key beginner-friendly features include altitude hold, which ensures stable hovering for better video and photo capture, and one key start/landing, simplifying takeoff and landing. Voice control and gesture selfie add an interactive touch, allowing users to control the drone or take photos with spoken commands or hand gestures. The drone is capable of 3D flips, making it entertaining and engaging for kids and hobbyists. Its foldable design enhances portability, allowing users to easily carry it for outdoor adventures. With 2 included batteries, the drone offers extended flight sessions, ensuring more time for practice and enjoyment. Safety features, such as lightweight construction and propeller guards, make it suitable for children while providing a safe flying experience. The remote control is intuitive, and the drone also includes advanced functionality like headless mode, making orientation easier for first-time users. In summary, the drone with 1080p camera is an excellent entry-level option for kids and beginners. It combines ease of use, portability, and fun features like gesture selfies and 3D flips with practical tools such as altitude hold and voice control. This drone is perfect for capturing memories and exploring the joys of flight, making it an enjoyable and educational toy for boys and girls. Number 5. The mini drone with 1080p HD camera is a compact and foldable quadcopter, perfect for beginners and adults seeking a fun and user-friendly flying experience. Its 1080p HD camera provides clear aerial photos and live FPV video transmission, while the 90 degrees adjustable lens allows users to capture unique angles with ease. This drone is equipped with altitude hold, ensuring stable hovering for smooth video and photo capture. The one-key takeoff/land feature simplifies control, making it ideal for first-time users. With its ability to perform 360 degrees flips, it adds an exciting dynamic to the flying experience, perfect for entertainment and skill building. The foldable design and included carrying case enhance portability, making it convenient to take on outdoor adventures. The drone includes 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for longer play sessions and ensuring uninterrupted fun. Its lightweight construction and intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly, while safety features, such as propeller guards, provide extra protection during operation. The compact design and ease of use also make it a great gift option for both kids and adults. In summary, the mini drone with 1080p HD camera combines practical features like stable altitude hold and adjustable camera angles with fun elements like flips and easy takeoff/landing. Portable, durable, and beginner-friendly, it's perfect for capturing memories, learning to fly, or simply enjoying aerial exploration. With its thoughtful design and dual battery setup, this drone is an excellent choice for both casual users and those new to the hobby.